challenging. Okay. Let's start. How to achieve a better work-life balance? How to achieve a better work-life balance? Life I said. किसको wife लगा? मैंने life बोला है. How to achieve a better? All right, यासीन को लगा है ना? Okay. How to achieve a better work-life balance? Okay, Yasin? Yeah. All right. So, all the passage is about work-life balance and how to achieve that very balance. Very, very simple. Okay. Let's go on to questions 21 to 27. Choose one word only. And they have mentioned complete the notes below. I told you, notes completion, diagram completion, table completion, all completion type A, questions and answers are in order. So, achieving a better work-life balance. All right. Now, what is the difference between sentence completion and notes completion? Sentences are complete sentences. And they give you question number before the question, before the sentence. And for notes completion, they give you question number where there is that blank. So, how to begin? Make a complete, underline the word make. Now for make, they can use the word create, draw up, write, make a complete. For complete, they can use any other word. Dash of things that are not helpful and reduce involvement in them. Make a complete dash of things. And what do we make, by the way? Make a? What is this, by the way? I tell you. You said make a list. This is called collocations. What do we call it? Whenever you read the word make a decision, make a list, make a something like that. So this is called collocations. If you go through collocations, you can find the answers, okay? I'll share a handout with you which is on collocations, right? Okay, let's go back. Make a. All right, come to first paragraph. Can you see anything like make a? Yeah. Second paragraph. It's easy to get sucked into habits that make us less efficient without realizing it, like keeping your social media page open at work so you don't miss something important. Draw up a list with all the activities. So draw up a list with all the activities means make a complete list. And what is the word for complete? All the activities. All the activities means complete. Make a, and what is the word for make? Draw up. Draw up and make. Answer is list. As simple as list. Question number 22. Refuse some requests as this can be a useful dash. Refuse a request. It can be a useful. For useful, they might use any other word. Come to next paragraph. It is hard to say no. To say no means refuse someone's request. Okay, third paragraph. It is hard to say no, especially to supervisor or loved one, but sometimes that powerful little word is essential. Learn to use no judiciously and it will become a powerful tool. So learn to say no judiciously means refuse some request as this can be a useful. What is the word for useful? Powerful. And answer is tool in gaining a better work-life balance. Tool. Yeah, correct? All good? Good. Let's go on. Things that can help. Regular exercise. Okay. Then they say can increase dash significantly. Look for the synonym of increase. Increase. They use the word boost. Fourth paragraph. Fourth paragraph. Research shows that exercise helps remain alert. Finding time to hit the gym and may be hard, but it will ultimately help you get more things done because exercise really boosts energy. And they use the word regular exercise can increase. So really boosts and can increase. Answer is energy. Simple. What is the word for significantly? Rarely. Rarely and significantly. Every time you do IELTS reading, you need to find synonyms of other words. That will improve your understanding. Okay. Next we have sleep. So there is a paragraph about sleep. Next bullet point. And these bullet points are the paragraphs. Sleep. Insufficient sleep can make people ill. Avoid focusing on dash in the lead up to bedtime. Avoid focusing. Avoid means don't use. Good. They use the word, it's the fourth last paragraph. Everyone please come to fourth last paragraph. Study after study shows that significant sleep deprivation affects your health and well-being. Exposure to electronics can significantly negatively impact your sleep. So try to unplug an hour before you go to sleep. Unplug what? Electronics. Unplug electronics. Avoid focusing on electronics in the lead up to bedtime. And what is lead up to bedtime? An hour before. Lead up to bedtime is an hour before. And what is for bedtime? Go to sleep. Try to find synonym of every word. Focus every word. For bedtime they use the word go to sleep. For lead up they used an hour before. And for unplug they used avoid focusing. And answer is electronics. And what are electronics? Mobiles, tablets, laptops and all that. Question number 25. Issues that require attention. Those who see other people's dash, other people's apostrophe s. And for apostrophe s, they can use apostrophe s or they can use of off preposition as well. Other people's dash. So let's go back. Look for apostrophe. Third last paragraph. Look for apostrophe. Everyone's, absolutely. So for other people's, they use the word everyone's. And what is the answer? Needs. Those who see other people's needs as more important than their own will suffer. So what is the sentence there? I'm reading this third last paragraph. What would you do if you had a whole day to yourself with no demands on your time? While most people don't have the luxury of a whole day dedicated to relaxation, constantly putting off that downtime and putting everyone's needs before yours will wear you down. So let's go on. Question number 26. If the working day is too long, get dash. If the working day is too long, get dash to shorten it occasionally. Working day is too long. Second last paragraph. Working day is too long. Let's read second last paragraph. Don't assume your family and manager are aware of your concerns. If you feel you have to adjust your schedule to discover a better work-life balance, then voice that requirement. If that means asking your boss for permission to leave a few minutes early. Asking your boss for permission to leave a few minutes early. What is the word to leave a few minutes early? Shorten it occasionally. So if the working day is too long, get. Forget they use the word. Forget they use the word asking your boss for permission. Now listen. Have you noticed one thing? In collocations we also say get permission. Right? I need to get permission from my parents. So get permission and asking your boss for permission. Ask for permission, get permission. Question number 27. People should learn to recognize their own. Recognize. For that they use the word you know. K-N-O-W. People should learn to recognize their own. Last paragraph. Last paragraph. Know your limitations. People should learn to recognize. What is the word for recognize? Know. Right? And what is the word for people? No, for people they use the word know your. Know means it's actually imperative. Know your limitations. Know your limitations means people should recognize their limitations. So answer is limitations. And for OW and own, what is the word? Your. Your and own. Yeah. Okay, so whenever you practice, you have to focus each and every word. In the sentence, I mean one sentence of the question and one sentence in the passage, they are going to match. So you need to focus every word. For this word, they have this. For that word, they have this. Once you do this, then you will really become pro at IELTS reading.